And we are live. Welcome, guys. Welcome to another episode of Rise Talks. Guys, this is LaShawn Adesimilolu.
Guys, this is Moses Adesimilolu.
The founders of Rise Business Solutions.
Yes.
And we help motivated, inspired, and very enthusiastic tax professionals to level up their lives and start profitable tax businesses. Today, guys, we are here yet again with another valuable video. We're going to talk about 5 tools that you need to start a home-based tax business.
That's right, guys. 5 tools that you would not even think that is important for you, but it's highly important for you. Stay tuned. The first one is a tax course. I mean, you might not think that it's important to get a tax course, but it's highly important for you to get a tax course that it really helps your business out and it really puts you at an edge to even know more about taxes. So the online tax course, we have created that tax course and it's available for you guys. You could really get it right there in the link and just click it and use it because a tax course is highly important.
Yes, and why is it important, guys? Because you want to make sure that you have the foundations to actually prepare taxes. You don't want to get out there and start doing taxes unless you really know what you're doing. So this tax course is very important. That's the first thing you're going to need.
That's it.
Number 2 is going to be an EFIN, okay? That is an electronic filing identification number. Now, the EFIN is what you use to actually be authorized by the IRS to file tax returns. Now, it is an in-depth process to get an EFIN. All that is available in our book, guys, from tax preparer to business owner, the step-by-step guide to starting the tax business. It's going to have everything you need to do step-by-step to actually get an EFIN. Now, you can find this book on Amazon. You can also get it by using the link in the comment section, all right? But the second thing is definitely the EFIN. You must have that.
I mean, the EFIN is really important for you. You cannot run an official tax business without having that EFIN. So having that EFIN really makes you to actually electronically file taxes. It's very important. The third one is when you get that EFIN, what do you use? You need a tax software. Yes. You need a tax software. And the tax software is what you're going to use to get you into filing your taxes professionally to where now, you could charge through the software. You could do amendments to the software. You could file taxes with that software. You could do different kind of things with that software, and it puts you on the edge, gives you a higher way of being more professional.
That's right, guys. When a lot of people start off in the tax industry, they start doing taxes on TurboTax. And it's not good because, first of all, it doesn't allow you to identify yourself as a tax professional. You cannot actually deduct your fees from that. It's actually illegal because you're not electronically filing. So when you get this tax software, it's going to have everything you need to actually legally file a tax return. It's a very simple process, and it's going to set you apart from anybody that's doing it on TurboTax, right? So it's very important to get that software. Now, we use the Drake software, but there's a number of good and affordable softwares for you. So, just take the time to do that research. Now, number 4, you're going to need to have forms for your tax clients. Now, just think about it. When you get a client, you're going to need like a questionnaire, some type of form to capture their information. What is their name, address, dependents? You also need things like a contract so that they are legally giving you permission to file the tax return. If you have business clients, you're going to need some type of self-employed due diligence form so that, they are legally taking responsibility for what they have told you about their business. Now, these forms are very important to have. If you are just starting off and you need these forms, they are available on our site. We have a bundle that you can use, and we will have that in the comment section of this video. So those business forms are another tool that you'll need when you're starting this home-based tax business.
Yes, guys. I mean, we really have all the tools that you are needing just by visiting our website. We'll be actually in the link below. You could use that to check us out and see the things that you could use for yourself. So now the 5th thing that you will actually need now to set you apart is having banking system.
Bank products.
Bank products is very important. I'm not saying that you should open up a bank account at Wells Fargo or something. Yes, that's good. However, you need a banking system that you can use as an intermediary between you and the IRS. So what they do is actually they collect the payment from the IRS and then it disperses out to either your taxpayers and take out your fees, disperses out to you. This is a quick system that you could use for yourself to put you on the edge, put you in a position to where now you actually running a professional tax business with a banking system, and you are actually not having to chase clients down to pay you their fees because it automatically comes through the banking system. Now, what bank do we use?
We use Refund Advantage, but we also have used other bank products. So you just want to do some research and find the best fit for you. But the bank products are really important to have because, again, like Moses said, you do not have to collect a payment up front from your clients. So a lot of times, during tax season, it's right after Christmas, people have paid bills. They don't necessarily have the money to pay up front for your tax services. So people who do take money up front, they're charging less than what they want to charge because they have to do something that is affordable to their client. So depending on your client base, you can offer the system. The bank is going to be the intermediary. They just sign a paper and then voila, when they get paid from the IRS, this company automatically gives you your fees and then they send the clients what they're supposed to get. It makes life so simple. So just a quick recap, guys. Today, we talked about 5 tools that you need when you are starting your home-based tax business. Number one is a tax course, okay? You need to have a tax course so that you can learn the fundamentals of what it means to do tax returns.
Yes.
We do have, I just want to quickly add that we do have an online tax course available, guys. You can get the link in the comment section. It's available 24/7. You just log in. It's all video. It's very, very simple. At the end, you'll get a certificate, okay? You can use that certificate to go anywhere and show that you actually have learned the fundamentals to do taxes.
Yes, okay? And it's a very, very easy, straight software. You don't really have to force yourself in getting it done. It's at your own pace, and it's very good. Number two
is an EFIN, okay? That's an electronic filing identification number. And you need this as a tax professional to be able to send taxes to the IRS. Now, again, you can find the step-by-step ways to get the EFIN in this book. It's available online at Amazon and on our site.
And you can get a hard copy if you wanted to, but it's online as well. Number 3, you got to have a tax software. And we're not talking about TurboTax or online, this tax act. No, we're talking about actual professional tax software. It's very important for you and it sets you apart. Number 4
is going to be forms for your tax client. Now, it's important when you get the client in front of you, you need to give them a form that they can fill out. You're going to keep this form on file because the IRS, may want to see it at some point. Like, what is the client giving you to authorize you to do this tax return? Now, if you are just getting started and you need access to these forms, we do have a bundle available on our site, and that will be in the comment section of this video, and you can get that. And last but not least, bank products, okay? This is really important. A lot of tax professionals do not even know about bank products, and I'm just like, what? Every time they say this.
It's actually somebody that said, oh, we don't use bank products. Remember when the IRS paid everybody with the COVID?
That's right.
Stimulus payments, and they sent it out to people with bank products. Some people would say, "Oh, we don't use bank products."
Exactly.
And I asked them, "How much do you charge?" And they say, "Oh, we charge from $50 to $99." And I was like,
and then those tax professionals that were doing things illegally, meaning that they were having their clients' money deposited in their bank account, they were all basically brought out to the forefront when, the clients were expecting a stimulus check and it went in their personal account. So it's important to use authorized systems to have those refunds properly deducted and your tax fees deducted as well. So those were the 5 tools that you need to start a home-based tax business. There's absolutely more things you can use to set yourself apart, but these were the 5 we mentioned today. We also have a mastermind available for tax professionals. So if you are watching this and you want to learn the skills to automate your business or to really scale to the next level, we invite you to schedule a consultation with us to learn even more.
And then guys, look, we just wanted to give you this video just to help somebody out, touch somebody out, and just see how you could use these 5 things to start your tax business and run a profitable tax business. If you're looking to work with us, how can I reach us?
Guys, all you have to do is schedule a consultation
That's
using
it.
the link in the comment section. So we will be back next week, guys, with even more tips and strategies for your tax business. We hope you enjoyed this. And remember, every day in every way, we are getting better and better.
Yes, yes,
See you
yes. Peace and
guys.
blessings.